it's Kate with WTI. It can be really hard to find a sports bra that is comfortable but also is completely functional for your workout regardless of how hard you are training. I found this really awesome sports bra by JOYSPELS and I am so in love with it. Some things that I really appreciate, number one, is how comfortable it is. I actually have worn this outside of my workout, like just underneath a top or a sweatshirt, and it is incredibly comfortable. So not just great as a sports bra with that great support that you know is going to get you through your workout, but also super, super comfy for all day. I love how really cute it is. I think the cut is adorable and I appreciate that it's kind of long. So it looks really nice with a high-waisted yoga pant or something like that. It gives me nice coverage. I have it in a size medium, which is true to size for me, and I got it in this really pretty cyan color, which I think is lovely. The detail on the back with that crisscross is really pretty too. So if you're wearing it by itself, it's not just a plain boring sports bra. You're able to remove the cups if you want, so you have that padding, but also you have the option that you can take them out. And I love too that it's just nice and smooth. So it sits really comfortably underneath an exercise top, or if you're wearing it by itself, it moves with you as you move, as you work out. If you're looking for a great sports bra that's going to be comfortable, support you in your workout, but also look really, really cute and elegant, definitely check this one out by JOYSPELS. They have a whole bunch of really pretty colors and I think that you're going to love it too, but that's just my point of view.